So this is the Discovery Island Trail. And oh, look. This is the African crested porcupine. There's two of them back there. And that one came out to say hello and then went right back. He was like, nope. Nope. Let's see what else we can find. I don't come on this trail that often, honestly. But let's see. This is a giant Galapagos tortoise. It doesn't look so big. I see two of them. Let's see. Please do not feed the animals. Turtle. I love turtles. You see the other one back there too. He's like, hey, I'm gonna go this way. I'm gonna go that way. Is that an octopus? That is. Or a squid. Wow. Look at that sucker. It's a crab. I'd rather be shiny. And I'm gonna run away now. Ugh. We're gonna see the 8th wonder of the world? We might. We might see the 8th wonder of the world. Here it is, ladies and gentlemen. The backside of water! Woo! It's Baloo and King Louie! I think it's cool just coming into the gift shop and just, I mean, look at the shelves. Look at this. Hello there. Hello there. But yeah, this fence got damaged too. There's going to be lots of repair work that needs to be done. Oh, look at this guy. Look at him. Oh, he's talking to us. There's a black swan. Hello. You find something? Just taking a drink? Okay. Saw this guy last time. But looks pretty messy back here. I don't see him. Oh, yes, I do. He's back there. You see him? You see his head? Head just kind of there through the leaves. He's hanging out. And this trail back here has been completely closed. And the broken trees and that one that's just kind of leaning there. No wonder that path is closed off.
Making fun of you. Making fun of you would be like, you're so lame that you haven't seen it.
But isn't that the subtext? Are you sure?
It's shock and awe.
Shock. She's shocked. Ooh.
Those are some neat looking pelicans. Black and orange. Black and orange.
Event check-in.
Good to go. Now, if you want to head to my friend Art, right ahead of you, he's got the game tickets right there.
Ooh. Game tickets for Dinoland. That's our favorite section. Moonlight magic.
And you see some wild wardens. Usually this is where we would see black rhinos, but it's very rare to see black rhinos because there are less than 5,000 of them left in the entire world. This is the part where you guys are supposed to say, "Aww."
Aww.
Yeah, does anybody know why?
Humans.
Yeah, unfortunately humans are the dangerous predator out in the world. So let's go into the Safari River, which is home to one of the most dangerous animals in Africa. It's not a human.
The
Does
hippo.
anybody know what it could be?
The hippo.
That's very correct. Awesome, guys. I wish I had a gold star. I would give it to you.
Hello.
Hi, Ina.
Hi, Ina.
Now, spotted hyenas communicate with one another using whoops, ghostly whoop, or a maniacal laughter. And they are also a matriarchal society, meaning that they are led by females, just like humans. Now, male hyenas are not going to be found inside the clan. They're actually going to be found on the outskirts of the territory because they're only used for two things, hunting and fighting. Technically, they're used for 3 things, but I can only tell you about the 2.
Baby giraffe.
Baby giraffe.
So you can see a couple of young giraffes here.
Hi, giraffe.
Baby giraffes are born 6 feet tall after a 14th month gestation period. These, I can't even consider these guys babies anymore because they're almost as big as the adults. Adults can grow to about 18 to 20 feet. Now the horns that you see on their heads are called ossicones. They're not really true horns. They're bone. They're skin-covered bone. It's part of the animal's skull. Males will use those horns to compete with one another.
As males do.
For the attraction of the ladies.
As males do.
This is a full-grown adult female.
Right.
Now, females are going to be leading the herd, very similar to hyenas, but male elephants are not going to be found inside the herd. Male elephants mature at about 13 years of age, and then that is when they're going to get kicked out of the herd. Because male elephants are only used for date nights. Male elephants will get to know the ladies for one time, and then they'll be kicked back out of the herd because they don't want it there.
Oh, it's another one.
So this is a male lion that we see. Just a nice big yawn.
There's a female behind him.
There's a female right behind him. So male lions are going to be the ones that protect the pride. The females are going to be the hunters. Don't want to work for us tonight? Not ready yet? No.
Oh, there's one up there.
Wow.
Yeah.
Oh wow, there is another female there. She got up there all on her own.
Well, let's name some of our favorite plants. I'm going to name that one Steve. And that one's Steve.
Alright friends, so
That one's Steve.
has concluded your safari.
And that's
a little bit
Steve.
earlier because,
You see that one over there?
over here.
That one's
So
Steve.
it is late at night.
This place is just so pretty at night.
It's like a rave. Need some glow sticks and some bubbles.
Now the cheat, I did not install that light switch just so you could throw light switch raves. Yeah, I thought I had heard something about them adding more light to this area, but it really doesn't seem like they have. $20? Let's do it. Of course, I think it may have just reopened. I believe these are offerings to AWA.
They're boards, and we wrote them on.
But they have been presented here as an offering to AWA.
Is that the giant smurf in the sky?
I think AWA is more equivalent to the Earth idea of Gaia.
So she's the Earth Smurf.
Sure. She's the great Smurf in the Earth.
Smurfy.
She's the great Smurf in the Earth. So how long have we been waiting?
2.
Yeah, I know. It's been like 40 minutes. Yeah, it's been 40 minutes, yeah. But this is where the this is where the lines converge, so we're almost done. It's pretty.
Better be.
It's not that pretty though.
I heard it's like living with the land, but with Smurfs.
Remember, for your safety, remain seated with hands, arms, feet, and legs inside the boat. No Saturday Night Fever. Dead men tell no tale.
Look, we're blowing through.
I want to lick them.
I don't think
But I want to. Be seeing AWA then. He shall be my squishy. We just got off the Navi River journey. Now, the first time I rode it, I was not impressed with the shaman at the end. Because I didn't actually see the real shaman at the end. What I saw was in fact a projection. And that time, it was definitely different. It was definitely a incredible animatronic. It was very impressive.
Very lifelike.
My overall impression of the ride improves a little bit with that, but it still feels like it's missing something.
And you've seen the movie.
I've seen the movie, yeah, so it makes a little bit more sense to me.
I have not seen the movie, and to me it was a day-glow boat ride with some cool features and then a really kick-ass animatronic.
Yeah, it needed some singing pirates is what it needed.
It needs a story.
It needs some singing pirates. All right, they're telling us 35. Should we hold them to that? Oh, well, they are officially at for the DVC party, so it might actually be 35. We are already in the Navi Caves, where they have painted the walls with ancient pictures of the Banshees, because they have ridden the Banshees since their ancient history. This is just so awesome looking in here. As now we get into the bioluminescent cave. All the pretty stuff to look at. Don't have as much time to look at it this time. Just to put it in perspective, this is where I was at the 2-hour point before. And I still had another hour from right here. See, that is unobtainium. And that's what the mining company wants. Unobtainium. That's what they call it.
Isn't that what makes Captain Shield?
What?
Isn't that what makes Captain America's shield?
No, you're thinking of vibranium. That is an avatar.
It's nice that they put swim trunks on him, so, you know, he's censored. That was thoughtful of them.
Yeah.
To get in there and dress him in swim trunks.
No, you know.
And, you know, clip a hole for the tail.
This is like the last room. Because over here's the utilidors. The magic utilidors.
We're going under the Magic Kingdom?
Yep. Alright. We are going to find a snack station. And maybe get a snack, see what they have. Last year they had like ice cream sandwiches.
Too bad you don't like ice cream sandwiches.
Yeah, I know. They're the worst. This is probably going to be our last time in Pandora this trip.
Yep.
Alright, let's find some snacks. Tree of Life is so pretty at night. To Dinoland, USA. USA. That's how you say it, right?
Sure.
Is that like Denna?
Like Makusa?
Yeah, sure. Makusa?
From Fantastic Beasts.
Oh, right, Makusa.
Magical Congress of the United States.
Yes. It took me a second. I was like, where have I heard that before? This is indeed the Restaurantosaurus. Well, let's see. Let's see if we can find some snacks. What do we have?
We have hot dogs, apples, carrots, cookies, and chips, and a drink.
You want anything?
A drink.
A drink would be good, yeah.
And then is it cookies?
Cookies sound good.
Come on, ride the train, it's a choo-choo train. No?
Maybe. That's right. Or just for you. That's right. Oh, okay. Okay. Okay.
It's just video, so you can go.
Watch your valuables.
It's up to you.
Just recording.
Alright. If I wasn't so tired, I totally would bust out the dance moves. But
And if you didn't have any if you had some glow sticks.
and if I had some glow sticks, yeah. I'd totally like.
You'd show me those sweet dance moves.
So we had a lot of fun at the DVC party.
Yep.
We did both of the Avatar, Pandora rides. We met Scrooge.
And Launchpad.
Scrooge and Launchpad.
I think Launchpad was gonna fight you for you.
Yeah, Launchpad was about to fly off with Shannon.
Yeah.
He was like, I don't see a ring on that finger.
That's right.